All right, these are how the solar string lights look installed on the porch of my little cabin. I think that they look really nice. This is the remote. So you can see there's 3 levels of brightness. There's soft, bright, and super bright. And what that is basically low, medium, and high. So there's fast blinking. There's this slow fading in and out, and then there's solid. So they look really nice. I know it's difficult for color to translate in videos, but it is a very warm glow. It's a warm white, definitely not as warm as, like traditional filament bulbs, but definitely still a very warm, cozy kind of light. And I was a little bit concerned about whether the bulbs would look nice because I'd never seen bulbs like this before. It's sort of like surface mount LED, but diffused by this little plastic piece. I'll add a picture in my review to diffuse the surface LED to make it look more like a filament. But yeah, I mean, with it installed, honestly, unless you're looking for it, I don't really think you'd notice it at all. Yeah, overall, I think they look really good. My one critical comment of this is that there's no way to turn off the dawn to dusk feature, so at sunset they just come on automatically. That's kind of not what I had in mind for how I'm going to use these lights, and I'm a little bit concerned about battery life. Just thought I'd include that in case that is a concern for anyone. So I think that about covers it. Thanks for watching and have a good one.
Steady, bright, dim, super bright, quick flash, slow flash, off.
Fence. Go all the way down there. Doing this made me realize what bad condition my fence is in. I think this is going to be the last one.